Hey guys, this is the modeling section of your packet. The first up we have the y-intercept. This comes from standard form. Specifically the c value. And this answers anytime it asks where does it start. Next is the vertex. This comes from vertex form. The h and k. This is when it asks what's the max or when is the max. Then last we have the x-intercept. This comes from factored form. This is how long is it in the air. So, what was the starting height of the platform? That is just like where does it start? So that means we're looking for our y-intercept from standard form, specifically the c value. In standard form, the c value is 60, so this means it's 60, and then our units are feet. When did the object reach its maximum height? So anytime it talks about a maximum, that's our vertex. The when is asking for the h value. That is given right here, so that is 2 seconds. What was the object's maximum height? Again, that's the vertex, so that's the k value of the vertex. That's this right here, the 80 feet. Last, how long was the object in the air? That comes from factored form, and recall that these get set equal to 0, so I go 2 plus 2 equals 0, and t minus 6 equals 0, and I solve these. Here I'd subtract 2 from both sides and get negative 2. And here I'd add 6 to both sides and get positive 6. T stands for time, and I can't have negative time, so this answer doesn't work, so it's just 6 seconds. Next, let's look at it from a graph. Here's our graph. It asks what was the squirrel's maximum height. Again, that's our vertex, so that's this point right here. The height part is the second number, our k value, so this is 21.125 feet. How many seconds after he jumped was the squirrel at its highest point? How many seconds? That's still talking about the vertex, it's talking about the highest point, but now it's talking about the time, so that's 2:25. When did the squirrel reach the ground? Anytime something's talking about the ground, that's our x-intercepts. So that's right here. That's about 5.5 seconds. Please reach out to your teachers if you had any questions about today's sections.